think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Welcome again to Gamer Cat Plays Hearthstone. Doing a little bit of research on my decks before starting this recording. I discovered that in order to really have a good chance of getting, that combination quest done, we need to have her. So we're going to use Valera in a sort of pre-made deck there, Gadgetan Dockside, and we'll see how it goes. I'd rather not lose the rank that I've got right now, but I don't play casual because I kind of I need to practice at being good and stuff like that. So I would rather lose rank in standard than play casual. So anyway, that's just me. It's not something that I would recommend you all do. Let's see who we come up against. There we go. We have been playing a lot of Garrosh lately, and I think it's because he's pretty good in the meta right now. The aggro warrior deck is pretty big in the meta. That's kind of why I built one. I didn't do anything yet. Okay. Greetings. Oh, standard aggro there. Pirate. Yep, here we go. Well, let's go ahead and do him. So, oh, hi. Don't care. There you go. So Murglesworth will change Garrosh's capability there, his hero power. Let's go ahead and go ahead and do that. Summon our frog. This isn't a combo, is it? No. Oh, it sort of is. Yeah. Okay. Ow. What am I doing? Okay, gosh. Well, let's see here. Let's try this. Let's just go with that. I don't like taking 7 points of damage, but I gotta get him out of the way because he'll be a lot bigger. There we go. Already done. Oh, I'm gonna be down 12. Okay. Damn. So I need you. I didn't quite play that correctly, but I can do... Hi! Oh, hi! Okay, you're good. Let's go ahead and do you. Again, don't like taking 3, but I'm going to do it. Go ahead and give myself back my weapon. Ooh, nice. There we go. Now that worked perfectly. Good job. I'm in really deep trouble here. That right there's a 16-point lead. That's, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. And he knows exactly where to go to hit. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get him out. And get rid of you. And you. Go ahead and start this process of whittling him down a little bit. Okay. Well, starting next turn, we should be able to start really breaking out some big capability characters. Doesn't have a weapon equipped. Ow. Okay. That's a little bit of a problem there. And him. Three, 4, 5, 6. Let's go for you. You're bigger. You're big. You're going to draw attention.
It's a deal.
And get rid of that, and then get rid of that. Now we're down to, well, we're down to a 9-point lead, which is still pretty bad, but he needs to now maybe perhaps think about focusing on me, otherwise he's going to end up possibly losing. I'm trying to slow down the game. I know how this pirate, we've seen a number of times how the pirate deck works. This is pretty much it. I'm trying to see if I can beat my own deck. And I only got one life to do it with. Okay, this may be... Okay, well, I can't do that with... I'm going to lose this game because there's no way to defend with one point. I'll go ahead. What happens at this point, when I figure out that I'm going to lose, I usually will concede. That way we don't waste time. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Conceding. I don't like how Villera says that, but okay, fine. We're not quite out of the 17th ranks yet, but we're getting closer. So, yeah, we did manage to get a few combination cards out there, so that'll help us a bit. That was pretty much our goal here. I got 3 of them. Okay, fine. So, could be a rough ride for Villera there. But if you like what you've seen and heard, and hopefully the sound quality's, better, feel free to go ahead and leave me some comments down below. And in the meantime, this is GamerCat signing out.